Good afternoon, good evening, namaste, salam, bonjour to the world of Leo. This is Waqas Suhail from Dubai, the regional general manager for Dubai region. And today I'm really privileged to be on this GAM. And this is because actually that there is a holiday in UK. So Mihir and Andy couldn't do it. And as usual, Dan is pretty busy, handling stuff with the business. So here I am today with you, and I can see a lot of people on this call. Thank you very much. Before I start this GAM, I would like to tell people that today, right now in Dubai, this is the month of Ramadan, and everybody here is celebrating this Ramadan month. And around the world, everyone who is celebrating the month of Ramadan, from me, Ramadan Kareem, to all of them. Here we can see a lot of people today. Friends from Turkey, Pakistan, France. My God, so many people. Well, so everyone, welcome to the GAM, and we should start that, as this is my first time I'm coming on GAM. And definitely this is the first time I'm talking to you people after getting into the board of director. I definitely want to say a few words about that I'm really grateful and honored and privileged to be a part of board of directors and Leo. And I'm really thankful to Dan and the member of board who really feel and give this and have this confidence on me that I'll be able to serve Leo better in that position. So thank you everyone in the board, and thank you everyone out there in the world, especially our members who supported me and who loved me and who think that I have done something for Leo. So thank you everyone, thanks a lot. Today's agenda is in front of us. We'll do some recognition, then we'll talk about member privacy, then there's Brazil 2019, we'll talk about day 7, DMS, what's going on in the news, and what's happening as far as the events are concerned. So let's start with the recognition, and here it comes. Wow. Oh, welcome, congratulations, Mr. Wack, known as Wack, and the name is Waqas Ahmed Khan. Last week, I was with him a couple of days back when we had a iftar in Islamabad, and that iftar was given by none other than Dan Anderson, who setting up a new tradition in Leo. When last Ramadan, he gave an iftar in Morocco, where over 200 people, 300 people were there who were fasting and who did iftar. And this time we did this in Islamabad, where from all over Pakistan, Karachi, Islamabad, Pindi, Lahore, Faisalabad, from all other cities of Pakistan, they gathered in Islamabad, Pearl Continental Hotel, and Mr. Dan Anderson hosted that iftar. It was a wonderful time meeting all the leaders over there, and there I met Waqas Ahmed as well, and I personally congratulate him. So Waqas, very well done on achieving director role, and there are many more to go, and I hope you will achieve more designations fast. Next is the member privacy. You know that your privacy is very important to us, and definitely privacy is very important to you at the same time, and we care about that. And if you know that Leo is complying with the new legislation called GDPR, General Personal Protection Rule, and regulations, and the whole thing about that, the privacy notice, we have put the link in the members back office as well as every Leo website page. You can find that link, and I insist that every one of us, among members, we should go and look at this document, go through that how we are protected and how Leo is following that regulation. Moving forward, Brazil, Brazil, Brazil. Here we come. 2019, we'll be in Brazil celebrating our 7th birthday. And, we just come back. I was not there, unfortunately, but a lot of us, all of us came back from Mauritius, and I can feel it because I met few of our members in Pakistan who was really excited, and they were really thankful to Leo. And most of them, when they share their experience, they said, it is one of the kind event which is unforgettable. It's a lifestyle where Leo gave us, and the life which we continue to want. We want you to experience it, in upcoming years. So our seventh global annual conference is coming up next year in 2019, and you all are invited there, but you have to earn that event. And it's very easy to earn that event. It's between 1st of May 2018 to 31st of October 2018. What you have to do is just introduce one Leo member and help them to reach associate rank by 31st of October 2018. So there is no limit to the number of tickets you can earn. You want to earn 10 tickets you can, 20, 50, 100, as much as tickets you want to earn, you can earn through that promotion. And as you can see, that we have set up a new website for this event, which is brazil2019.learnearnown.com. And if you go there, you can see the details, upcoming details about our upcoming event. It's a wonderful video which our media team put together, and it is already there to promote this event. You can share that event, share that video on your Facebook wall, and get to know. So you have time. The time is with you. The clock is ticking. It's 9 months, 3 weeks, 6 days, and 352 minutes exactly left to celebrate that event. So you have your time. You have your chance to earn that ticket to be a part of that wonderful event in Brazil. And as when I'm talking about Brazil, definitely I'm also very much excited to be there and to experience all that festival of Leo. It is more like, I think it's more like becoming a festival rather than an annual conference or a birthday, because these 8 days when we are there in Brazil, or when we were there in Mauritius, it was kind of a festival. We were enjoying, we were celebrating the whole events. So it's pretty awesome, pretty exciting, pretty motivating. You feel great when you're part of this kind of festivals. So I feel like it's more like becoming a festival of Leo. So let's get geared up for Brazil, and let's move towards that. Make sure that we are introducing one new member and help him to become an associate. And this promotion I really like a lot, because this is something very near to the direct selling, direct selling soul. That it's all about helping and sharing. So, while you're helping and sharing your member, your experience, your hard work, you are getting rewarded. Definitely you are getting rewarded with the financial part as well, but Leo is rewarding you with the ticket of our 7th global annual conference. So let's do it and be a part of that celebration. Day 7. Day 7 was opened up in Mauritius, and me here really talking in detail about that project. And whenever I think of this project and when I listen about this project, I feel really excited about it, because this is something really amazing with what's going to be a part of Leo family, when we all are connected at all the level, and we are enjoying that service. It's an extraordinary thing. So I'm excited when we will be implementing it in Leo, and soon we'll be enjoying and be a part of that activity. DMS, no doubt the jewel of Leo, I must say, jewel product. Uh, Loads of people are getting benefit out of this product. One of an amazing product that Leo has been created so far. No doubt, our courses are extraordinary. And when we talk about learn, earn, and own, if you talk about learning, so this product I see is a part of learning as well. When we are talking about, digital currencies, the latest trends, blockchain. So here we are, giving an experience and hands-on experience to our members to, to get into that kind of altcoin management and get the rewards out of that. Use the combination of gold pack with the DMS, and it's a very powerful story and such a great value proposition, because we are with the gold products coming up, with the monthly saving program. That would be wonderful. There's a very good way to get into that thing. Purchase DMS from 1st May 2018 up to and including 31st May. The contract will start on 1st of August with reward due on 31st of August 2018. So it's your chance. Come on, let's gear up and buy this product so you will be able to get the rewards in August. So make it fast. Go, go, go. Now, let's in the news. Well, we have Mr. Vincent in the news from businessforthehome.org, and he's been interviewed by his website. And when they ask the recipe of success from Mr. Vincent, so he said that the work invested by my entire team moving forward together is very important in order to build a group of dynamic people. So no doubt, Mr. Vincent, you are very true on that part, that this is all about direct selling. And when they say that why Leo, when you talk about direct selling, then why you selected Leo? So Mr. Vincent said that the values that Leo stands for, especially what he liked most, is transparency and innovation. No doubt. When the name Leo comes to anybody's mind, the first thing comes to him is we are transparent. We are genuine, we are transparent, we are honest. What we commit, we deliver. And when it comes to innovation, so I was talking to Mr. Ali, he's secretary in DSA UAE, and I was very pleased to hear from him that while he was in France attending the WDSA annual conference, so he said that Leo was at that time talk of the event, that everybody was talking about Leo, that how this company emerged on the scenario of DSA, and within a very short time of span, and with their innovative and bold products, they actually all around the world and becoming a brand. So I'm really when I heard those words from Ali, so I feel very proud, and I'm really that shows the commitment of our leadership, that what they are committed for as far as the products are concerned, our transparency is concerned. So it's pretty big for us. Then he talked about motivation and his advice, and what he advised to people is get all the training you can, accept help from others, be passionate about your work, do things in life with passion and enthusiasm. No doubt. I totally agree with Mr. Vincent that this is the mantra of success, I believe. That if you are in direct selling business and you want to be successful, training is the key. If I should talk about myself, I'm in this business, like from last 21 years, not much time, pretty young. But whenever I get a chance to get a training, to attend a training, I always get into that training. Even sometimes, it's a basic training, a very basic training about network industry, very basic training about direct selling. If I get a chance and somebody is delivering a training on the basics of direct selling, I always sit into that training and attend it like it is my first time. And I would like to share my experience with you that whenever I sit in that training and I, attended that training, I'm talking about the basic training of direct selling. I always learn something new because in our direct selling business, it's always about your experience. The best part of the training in this business is always the experience people share with you, and you cannot pay the cost of experience. So you're pretty lucky, I must say, that when you get a chance to share other experience, the people who are sharing their experience with you, and you are there to to learn from their experiences. So as Zig Ziglar said that it is your attitude, not your aptitude, that determine your altitude. So my friends, it's time to set our altitude on a higher level and fly and touch the sky. Let's see what's going on at the event spot. Discover Leo, UK, 20th May. I can see Mr. Burlas, celebrating this event, and Mr. Javed Khan. I met him in Mauritius, and we met in Dubai as well in last executive trip. What a wonderful personality. Mr. Javed is, he's related with learning business in UK, and I'm glad he liked Leo, and he's part of our family. Wonderful, keep up the great work. MashaAllah, you've done a great job and you achieved the senior executive rank. And I hope the commitment I can see over there, and I hope that I'll see you very soon, part of our director family in Leo. So keep up the good work. Dolas, your team is growing. I saw you last week in Turkey, Cameroon as well. So I hope you enjoyed the Cameroon event. Fulda, Germany, 23rd May. Angel, I can see her. She is enjoying as usual. The best part of Angel is whenever you see her, she's in her, peak state and enjoying the party. And here you can see that she's meeting our German leaders, Nico and Thelma, and presented a Leo coin black tea gift to our team members in Germany. Wow. Great job. Keep up the good work. And here comes the Momentum Tour. It is already done in 26th of May, Saturday in Abidjan, Ivory Coast. And he was there who, conducted that event. And I'm hearing the news that it was wonderful. He's in Cameroon and delivering his event. Yesterday, he finished an event in Cameroon. Andy, you're a gem, man. I don't know how you manage to travel like maniac indeed. I think you are more on airports than your house, but you're doing a great job for our members, for the company. Personally, want to pay thanks to you for your great hard work. Thank you very much for giving trainings all around the world. Morocco, here we come. 5 to 9th of October 2018, our executive trip is planned for Morocco. And why qualify for executive rank? It is always to experience the lifestyle of Leo. And if you want to see the testimonials regarding our previous events, you can go on our website and watch the testimonials. Last executive trip was in Nepal, and we were at top of the world. We visited Mount Everest. It was hell of an experience, by the way. While we were, I couldn't get a chance to talk about it ever, and I'm on GAM, so I really want to share my experience with everyone around the world. That it was tremendous. The feeling I cannot explain, because we were around at 6,000 meters height. And when you are on that kind of a height, oxygen level is very low. You feel very dizzy. But, looking at Everest on that height, it's extraordinary. So, I must say that Leo always come up with something extraordinary for its member and give them an experience of their lifetime. We experienced Everest. Now, the next experience we are going to do in Morocco. So, gear up. If somebody is, a little bit away from executive level, please get to reach executive level by 30th of June 2018 and come join us the experience of Morocco. So, by the way, I'm planning to go to Morocco as well in a couple of days. So my Morocco team, Youssef, I'm coming. We'll meet. We'll share our experience. I'll meet the leaders over there and do some work. So Morocco is the next destination and our executive trip. So get your rank as an executive and be the part of that lifetime experience, lifestyle experience. Well, what's next we have after that? If I look into it, call to action. For call to action, the first thing we have right now is buy a new gold pack to qualify for gold compensation plan and to be trained and licensed to auto save product. Whenever it comes to gold, I know there are a few countries who are, facing some challenges as far as our gold product. But at the same time, the auto-save program of the gold product is an extraordinary thing. It's saving is always good, but it is even better when you are saving it in a gold. So go for it, use that product, and save some gold for yourself. DMS available through your back office by my for August rewards. Go, hurry up, don't miss the chance, and use Gold Pack and DMS. It's a powerful package. Get out. I agree with that, buy Gold Pack, become a member, and activate your DMS along with that. So it's a power pack. You should not miss that. Before going towards the end, all the members who are near to executive rank, make it fast to achieve your executive rank to be the part of our executive trip in Morocco and enjoy the nights and days in Morocco. And not the least, qualify for Brazil 2019. Here we come. So we have a wonderful chance right now to be a part of Brazil 2019. You have your gold ticket, you have your silver ticket with you. Use those tickets, be a part of Brazil. The experience of your lifetime. It's about to end, and I think, although it was my first cam on this Leo in my 1.5 years of, Leo thing. So we are at the end. Thank you very much, everyone who's on this call. And next game will be on 4th of June 2018 with Dan Anderson. So don't forget, same time, same webinar with Dan on 4th of June 2018. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum. Good luck. Bye.